Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office, and today we are excited to have Crystal. Crystal, welcome.
Thank you.
Good to see you. Thank you for doing this for everybody and sharing your story. Really appreciate it. Crystal is coming in from New Jersey, and if you wouldn't mind, Crystal, telling us kind of what brings you in and what you've been struggling with.
Just the hair loss, alopecia. I'm tired of covering it, hiding it. I want some cute updos with some baby hair.
You said normally you cover the hair, you don't go out like this normally.
No,
yeah.
I cover it with a scarf or a wig.
Yeah.
Just hide it. I hide it.
You want to just be able to go natural and wear your hair the way you want to wear your hair.
Yes.
That's awesome. So we hear that a lot. I want a ponytail again or something.
Right.
Yeah. So we're going to help you out today. I'm going to have Whitney come in and just to sort of show a little bit closer look.
Okay.
We do like we talked about. We do have some significant loss all the way back towards the back of the ear here. And one important note that we mentioned is we may not be able to cover the whole area of loss. Mm-hmm. If that's the case, two options: we can spread out the grafts so at least we cover everything. But if we do that, it's going to be less dense. Or we can keep it as packed as we can, and we just may be short by a finger breadth back here. Which, again, may not be the end of the world. We can always come back later and fill it in. Or you may be happy with it. You can grow out the hair in front, cover it, and hide it, and that sort of stuff. So hopefully we'll be able to get it all. But like we talked about, it's always good to have plan A, plan B, plan C. So we're going to get as much as we can. Hopefully we can cover it all. If not, it should be most of it. Okay? But we'll sort of draw it all out and check back in a little bit. All right? You excited?
Yes,
Good. Excellent. So we'll draw everything out, do a little bit of shaving, and then we'll check back in a few minutes.
All right.
Sound good? All right. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
All right. We are back with Crystal, and as you can see, we've drawn the hairline out. Nice natural line. I love it, even though it looks a little crazy right now. We're trying to not freak out too much about it. So we drew out the hairline. I'm going to kind of spin you around just so we can see. We set our priority zones. Number one priority zone will be sort of this first two fingers. That we should at least be able to get. If we have extra, which I'm hoping we have extra, this will be priority 2, because that way we can do the ponytail, and then priority 3. I'm guessing we should probably at least be able to do 1 and 2, maybe 3. We'll see how that goes. So that'll be sort of our game plan for the day. How do you feel?
Good.
You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Excellent. So we're going to head next door, start, and then we'll check in with you a little later.
Okay.
Sound good? All right. We'll check in a little while. All right. Crystal, we are back. We are just finishing up the procedure. We're just cleaning you off, making sure there's no holes to fill. And how'd today go?
Good.
All right. Comfortable?
Comfortable, no pain.
Good.
I fell asleep a couple times. I'm sure I was snoring.
You did not snore once. Not one time did you snore. You watched a couple shows, had some lunch. Sabrina, the Teenage Witch or something like that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, you look good. We will catch up with you in a few minutes and look at the results.
All right. Thank you.
All right, Crystal, we are back, and congratulations, you made it.
Thank you.
How does it feel? How was today? Be honest. If something was not fun, let us know. If something was, let us know.
No,
how'd today go?
Everything was good. Everything was good. Didn't have no pain. I was relaxing. And
you powered through the injections at the beginning. That was great.
I know. That might have been the worst part, but it wasn't too bad,
good.
But I'm happy with the results.
I love it.
I can't wait to see.
It looks awesome. I'm going to zoom in just so we can see. So that is the line of the results. I think it's a nice natural look on you. We were able to do all of zone 1 or priority zone 1. Try not to touch it here. And then we did all of priority zone 2 as well. We didn't have enough hair to go into the third zone, but there's hair there, just obviously not as thick as we want. So hopefully when it grows in, it's going to look awesome, and then you'll just be able to grow the hair out in front and be able to cover it. If at some point you need a second, you want to fill that in, we can always come back and fill that second zone in, but hopefully you won't need to. And then just to kind of completeness sake, that's the incision line back there, and again, that hair that we shave will grow back in between the stitches. So congratulations. Welcome to the family.
Thank you. Thank you.
We'll keep posted. Hopefully, we'll keep in touch and send us pictures, and hopefully we'll do some follow-up videos in the year. When you look fabulous, we'll do another video and show everybody.
Okay.
All right. Have a safe drive home, and I'll be in touch tomorrow.
All right.
All right. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.